Tweety moniker is new to me. I think he was being sarcastic. I don't know what the hell happened, but that was his thing. You know, Jared, I don't know, I don't have any nicknames for him. Although, last night I did have a nickname for him. Woo, Dirty! It was asshole. Did he tell you about the joke he played on me? Yeah, I'm hard to fool. And that's someone who can school me. Aw, you should totally respect that about him. I told him, I said, good for you, because you look too tall and dumb to actually fool me. But look, you pulled it off. Good for you, you son of a bitch. So, that's my nickname for Jared. What's your nickname for Jared?
Sexy!
Gorgeous, sexy, hot face, puppy.